Today I am going to show you how to make a wireless tester. This one is non-contactless or wireless tester. You can find out the baseline voltage without physical contact to the wire. Following components are needed for making this wireless tester. You can take any type of copper wire. This one is BC547 transistor, C for collector, B base, E emitter. Emitter of the second transistor connect to the base of the first transistor. Collect the LED positive pin to collector pin of the second transistor and the negative to collector pin of the first transistor. Copper wire or antenna connect to the base of the second transistor. Our circuit is ready. Next step is let's connect to power supply. Connect positive volt to collector pin of the second transistor and negative to emitter pin of the first transistor. Our circuit is ready. Let's check how it is work. Next step is install our circuit into the glue stick. Please watch until the end of the video and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.